Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing this eyeshadow palette from SHGLAM, and if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's called Sheglam Rhapsody palette, and this is how it looks inside. I think it's an absolute gorgeous eyeshadow palette. It has 9 colors in total, 4 shimmers and 5 matte. Next I'm gonna do some swatches. Also has some names, as you can see in here. And by the way, as far as I know, SHGLAM is cruelty free. This is what I saw on the website. It doesn't say in here on the back of the palette where you have the ingredients, but this is what actually says on the website. So starting first row, unicorn. Really nice. Petal. You. Tangerine. Lavender. Lily. Escape. Pink Me. Last but not least is Mandala. Yeah, so this is how they look like. I know the swatches doesn't look really nice, but last time when I swatched another palette from them, I think it was the same, but on the eyelid performed really well. So I'm really curious how this will actually be with the base or not and everything. Okay, so as you can see, I've already prepared my eyes, and as my eye base I actually used this liquid concealer from Primark. I did use it last time as an eyeshadow base and I was impressed, and this is in the shade Ivory. It's not really full coverage, but it does stay in place and doesn't crease. So I'm gonna actually start with this beautiful purple shade called Mandala. So this one in here. It does have pigment. Okay, next I'm going in actually with this really light lilac, Pink Me. In the center of my eyelid, I think I'm gonna use shade Petal. Then I'm gonna use my finger. This actually looks like a duochrome. I don't know if you can see it. It has like some pink sparkles. I'm going back in the shade Mandala in here. My brow bone, I think I'm gonna use the shade Escape. This one in here. And in my lower lash line, I'm going back again with the same purple. So this is in the outer V. And again, in the other part of the eye, I'm going to use this pretty lilac in here. It does look pretty crazy right now, but I am gonna go and finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll come back with the finished look and also my final thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now let's talk a bit about this eyeshadow palette. So I think overall it's quite beautiful. As you can see, it's pretty pigmented. The mattes, the shimmers are quite alright. Maybe because I did change the base today, so I didn't use the normal base eyeshadow primer that I'm using normally. It took me a while to actually build these colors up, but eventually it did, as I said, it did turn out really pigmented, and I actually love it. I love every single color I actually played with today, so I can actually say it's a really good palette. I think I paid £5 or something for this, and I think it's worth it. It's a beautiful palette. As you can see, the color story, it's gorgeous, and yeah, I'm quite actually in love with this eyeshadow look. I mean, yeah, the shimmers are really pigmented and nice, and I did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried any of the SHGLAM makeup, or if you actually tried this palette yourself, and if you did, how it performed on your eyelids. It was pigmented enough? You had any problems with it? It was quite powdery, to be honest, and the swatches weren't really nice. But as I said, eventually it did build up beautifully, even if they were powdery, and I had to apply a few more layers. It was gorgeous. I mean, I'm in love with everything that's purple, and yes, definitely I like this eyeshadow palette. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.